Hey car enthusiasts, are you tired of those stubborn bug splats ruining your car's pristine look? Ever wondered which bug and tar remover actually works without damaging your paint? Have you spent countless hours scrubbing away at those pesky bug remains only to be left frustrated? Well, today we're diving deep into the world of bug removers to find out which products truly deliver results. After extensive testing and countless hours of hands-on experience, I'm going to reveal the 7 best bug removers that will make your life easier. Let's get started with our countdown from number 7 to the absolute best product on the market. Number 7. Meguiar's Heavy-Duty Bug and Tar Remover. When it comes to well-known brands in the car care industry, Meguiar's has certainly made a name for itself. Their heavy-duty bug and tar remover comes with high expectations, but does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into my experience with this product after several weeks of testing on various vehicles and conditions. The product's extreme cling foam technology sounds impressive on paper, promising extended dwell time and superior bug-dissolving capabilities. During my testing on a road trip-worn SUV, I found the foaming action to be moderately effective, creating a decent barrier that adheres to vertical surfaces. However, the foam's staying power isn't quite as extreme as advertised, often running off before completing its job on tougher spots. One aspect that caught my attention was its performance variation between fresh and aged bug splatter. On fresh bug remains, the product shows decent results with a single application. However, when dealing with baked-on bugs from several days of summer driving, the performance notably drops. I found myself needing multiple applications and significantly more elbow grease than expected, which can be quite frustrating when you're trying to maintain a quick cleaning routine. The formula claims to be professional strength while remaining clear coat safe, which is partially true. While I didn't notice any adverse effects on paint or clear coat, the professional strength claim seems a bit optimistic. The cleaning power falls somewhat short compared to some competitors, especially when dealing with stubborn tar spots or heavily accumulated bug residue on the front bumper and grille areas. Number 6. Stoner Car Care Tarminator. The Stoner Tarminator enters the market with bold claims about its tar and bug-fighting capabilities. After spending considerable time testing this product across different vehicles and various types of residue, I've developed a comprehensive understanding of its strengths and limitations. The formula's aggressive nature is immediately apparent upon application. While this translates to impressive results on tar and tough adhesives, it requires careful handling and precise application. During my testing on a black sedan with significant bug accumulation, I noticed that the product's potency can be both a blessing and a curse. It effectively breaks down stubborn residues, but the strong chemical composition means you need to be extremely cautious around trim pieces and sensitive surfaces. Working with Tarminator requires a methodical approach. The liquid consistency, while effective, tends to run and drip more than desired, especially in warmer conditions. This characteristic made vertical surface applications particularly challenging during my testing sessions. I found myself constantly catching drips and having to shield adjacent areas to prevent unwanted contact with sensitive materials. The product's specialized nature becomes evident in its performance across different types of contamination. While it excels at removing tar and some types of road grime, its bug-removing capabilities are somewhat limited compared to dedicated bug removers. During my testing on a vehicle that had just completed a long highway journey, I found myself needing to supplement with other products to achieve complete bug removal. Number 5. Rain-X Pro 620213. The Rain-X Pro 3-in-1 bug, tar, and adhesive remover represents a significant step up in versatility and effectiveness. After extensive testing across multiple vehicles and various surface conditions, I found this product to be a surprisingly comprehensive solution for automotive cleaning challenges. During my testing period, I particularly noticed how well this formula adapts to different types of contaminants. When used on a white SUV that had been through a heavy bug season, the product demonstrated impressive versatility. The water-based formula proved especially effective at breaking down organic matter without leaving behind the greasy residue that's common with many competing products. One of the most impressive aspects I discovered during testing was its performance on different surface materials. Whether dealing with modern clear coat finishes, chrome trim, or plastic components, the product maintained consistent effectiveness without causing any surface degradation. This versatility became particularly apparent when cleaning headlight assemblies, where many competing products often leave behind a hazy residue. The application process is notably user-friendly, featuring a well-designed spray pattern that provides excellent coverage without excessive overspray. During my testing on vertical surfaces like the front grille and bumper, the product demonstrated good adhesion properties, allowing sufficient dwell time for the active ingredients to work effectively on stubborn contaminants. Temperature and humidity conditions seem to have minimal impact on its performance, which is a significant advantage for year-round use. Even in cooler morning conditions, where some products struggle to activate properly, the Rain-X Pro maintained its effectiveness without requiring additional dwell time or agitation. 4. Turtle Wax T-520A. The Turtle Wax Bug and Tar Remover has proven itself to be a reliable workhorse in the world of automotive cleaning products. After thorough testing across various scenarios and vehicle types, I've found it consistently delivers impressive results while maintaining paint safety. During extensive testing on multiple vehicles, including a red sports car that had accumulated significant bug residue after a cross-country trip, the product demonstrated exceptional cleaning power. The spray-on formula penetrates quickly into dried-on bugs and tar deposits, significantly reducing the effort required for removal compared to traditional washing methods. What particularly impressed me during long-term testing was the product's ability to maintain paint integrity while effectively removing contaminants. Unlike some aggressive cleaners that can dull the finish over time, the Turtle Wax formula leaves the surface looking fresh and vibrant. This became especially apparent when working on darker-colored vehicles, where any surface imperfections would be immediately noticeable. The product's versatility extends beyond just bug and tar removal. During testing, I found it equally effective at removing tree sap, bird droppings, and other organic contaminants. The formula's balanced approach to cleaning means it's gentle enough for regular use, but still powerful enough to tackle stubborn deposits when needed. The application process is straightforward and user-friendly, with the spray nozzle providing good coverage and control. During testing in various weather conditions, I noticed the product maintains its effectiveness across a wide temperature range, though slightly longer dwell times might be needed in cooler conditions. 3. Chemical Guys CWS. The Chemical Guys Bug and Tar Heavy-Duty Car Wash represents a unique approach to contamination removal, combining the convenience of a car shampoo with the effectiveness of a dedicated bug remover. My extensive testing revealed some impressive capabilities that set this product apart from conventional cleaners. During multiple wash sessions with heavily contaminated vehicles, I observed how the specialized formula creates a rich, lubricating foam that actively lifts and encapsulates bug remains and road grime. The product's pH-balanced formula proved particularly effective at breaking down organic matter while maintaining the integrity of existing wax or sealant layers. One of the standout features I discovered during testing was its ability to prevent bug stains from etching into the clear coat. When used on a vehicle immediately after a long highway journey, the product effectively neutralized the acidic compounds in bug remains, preventing the long-term damage that often occurs when these contaminants are left untreated. The product's versatility became apparent during different washing scenarios. Whether used as a standalone product in a foam cannon or as part of a 2-bucket wash method, it maintained consistent cleaning power. The concentrated formula proved to be surprisingly economical, with a small amount generating ample suds for effective cleaning. The citrus-based cleaning agents not only provide a pleasant scent, but also contribute to the product's cutting power against tough contaminants. During testing in various weather conditions, I found the formula maintains its effectiveness regardless of water temperature or hardness. 2. 3D Bug Remover. The 3D bug remover stands out as a professional-grade solution that brings scientific innovation to bug removal. After extensive testing across various vehicles and conditions, I've discovered why this product has gained such a strong following among professional detailers and enthusiasts alike. The enzyme-based formula represents a significant advancement in bug removal technology. During my testing on multiple vehicles, including a light-colored sedan that had accumulated weeks of bug residue, I observed how the enzymes actively break down organic matter at a molecular level. This scientific approach results in significantly less mechanical agitation required, reducing the risk of introducing swirl marks or scratches during the cleaning process. What truly impressed me during long-term testing was the product's ability to work effectively on ceramic-coated vehicles. Unlike many aggressive cleaners that can degrade protective coatings, the 3D bug remover maintained the integrity of all surface treatments, including ceramic coatings, paint protection films, and traditional waxes. This characteristic makes it an ideal choice for maintaining high-end vehicle finishes. The product's versatility became evident when dealing with different types of contamination. Beyond bug remains, it proved highly effective at removing tree sap, bird droppings, and other organic matter. During testing in varying weather conditions, I noticed consistent performance regardless of temperature or humidity levels, though slightly longer dwell times in cooler conditions yielded optimal results. One Prosol Bugs N All. After months of rigorous testing and comparison, the Prosol Bugs N All emerges as the undisputed champion in the bug removal category. This product represents the perfect balance of cleaning power, surface safety, and user-friendly application that sets new standards in automotive care. During extensive testing on various vehicles, including a heavily contaminated RV that had traversed multiple states, the product's superior cleaning capabilities became immediately apparent. The advanced formula begins working within seconds of application, effectively breaking down even the most stubborn bug remains, without requiring excessive dwell time or aggressive scrubbing. The product's versatility truly sets it apart from competitors. Throughout my testing period, I discovered its effectiveness extends far beyond bug removal. Whether dealing with road tar, tree sap, bird droppings, or even oxidation on older paint, the Prosol formula consistently delivered outstanding results. This multi-surface capability makes it an exceptional value proposition, effectively replacing several specialized cleaners in your detailing arsenal. Perhaps most impressive is the product's ability to maintain its effectiveness while being environmentally conscious. During numerous cleaning sessions, I observed how the biodegradable formula breaks down contaminants without releasing harmful chemicals or strong odors. This eco-friendly approach doesn't compromise cleaning power, making it an ideal choice for both professional detailers and environmentally conscious car enthusiasts. The product's concentrated formula provides exceptional value for money. Through my testing, I found that a small amount of product goes a long way, especially when properly diluted for different cleaning tasks. Whether used at full strength for stubborn contamination or diluted for regular maintenance cleaning, the product maintained consistent performance levels. One Prosol Bugs N All. After months of rigorous testing and comparison, the Prosol Bugs N All emerges as the undisputed champion in the bug removal category. This product represents the perfect balance of cleaning power, surface safety, and user-friendly application that sets new standards in automotive care. During extensive testing on various vehicles, including a heavily contaminated RV that had traversed multiple states, the product's superior cleaning capabilities became immediately apparent. The advanced formula begins working within seconds of application, effectively breaking down even the most stubborn bug remains, without requiring excessive dwell time or aggressive scrubbing. The product's versatility truly sets it apart from competitors. Throughout my testing period, I discovered its effectiveness extends far beyond bug removal. Whether dealing with road tar, tree sap, bird droppings, or even oxidation on older paint, the Prosol formula consistently delivered outstanding results. This multi-surface capability makes it an exceptional value proposition, effectively replacing several specialized cleaners in your detailing arsenal. Perhaps most impressive is the product's ability to maintain its effectiveness while being environmentally conscious. During numerous cleaning sessions, I observed how the biodegradable formula breaks down contaminants without releasing harmful chemicals or strong odors. This eco-friendly approach doesn't compromise cleaning power, making it an ideal choice for both professional detailers and environmentally conscious car enthusiasts. The product's concentrated formula provides exceptional value for money. Through my testing, I found that a small amount of product goes a long way, especially when properly diluted for different cleaning tasks. Whether used at full strength for stubborn contamination or diluted for regular maintenance cleaning, the product maintained consistent performance levels. That's all for today, folks.